ARI hosted a conference titled The Politics of Distribution, Migrant Labour, Development and Religious Aid in Asia. The conference explored distributive practice by religious actors in the field of migrant labour. It had a range of panels that covered different religious traditions, including Buddhist, Christian and Muslim-based approaches, as well as a range of countries, including Thailand, Indonesia, South Korea, Singapore, Cambodia, Myanmar and India. The conference brought both scholars and practitioners and examined both religious distributive practices and the religious concepts and motivations behind them. It included a special panel on Catholic aid and factory workers in Cambodia. On this panel, a volunteer from the Catholic Church's Labour Pastoral Committee and 2 Cambodian factory workers talked about their experiences.
I kept asking the Lord what He expected of me, and I understood that He wanted me to live with poor people. It was what I did in France, living in a popular area. So I decided to leave everything to install in Phnom Penh, in the suburbs of Phnom Penh, where there are a lot of factories, so a lot of factory workers also, of course. So I rent a room like the factory workers, but I live alone in this room, and this is a choice to live there all my life. It was my own choice to bring the hope to the factory workers in the name of my faith. And of course I understand it's something difficult to understand for people who doesn't share my faith, but I think that and I hope that my way of life with the factory workers bear fruits to their lives, and it bear fruits into my life.
Hello, ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះសេតូចមកពីប្រទេសកម្ពុជា ខ្ញុំថ្ងៃនេះស្វាគមន៍ខ្លាំងណាស់ដែលបានមកជួបអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានៅទីនេះ
My name is Sraitoch from Cambodia. I'm very happy to meet you here today.
ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំចង់លើកឡើងពីជីវិតនៃការតស៊ូរបស់ខ្ញុំដែលជាកម្មករធ្វើការរោងចក្រផ្ទាល់នៅប្រទេសកម្ពុជា
I would like to speak about my life and struggles as a factory worker in Cambodia.
ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះប៉ាស៊ីទូជាកូនទី3ក្នុងចំណោមបងប្អូន4នាក់
I am the third of 4 children in my family.
ស្រុកកំណើតនៅខេត្តស្វាយរៀងភូមិត្រោក
My hometown is Thao village.
បើនិយាយពីជីវភាពគ្រួសាររបស់ខ្ញុំកាលពីមុន
My family are extremely poor, and so a while ago I came to Phnom Penh to find work to try to make things financially easier for them.
ទៅខ្ញុំចេញមកពីធ្វើការពេលនោះពុកម៉ែរបស់ខ្ញុំបានមកទទួលយកទៅផ្ទះ
From 7 to 11 a.m. I work and then have lunch.
នេះខ្ញុំបានសម្រេចចិត្តឈប់ពីរោងចក្រម៉ាក់លីនរោងចក្របោះពុម្ពខោអាវធ្វើការបាន1ឆ្នាំកន្លះ
At 2 p.m. I return to work until 6 p.m.
ហើយខ្ញុំក៏បានសម្រេចចិត្តធ្វើការរោងចក្រមួយហើយមកធ្វើការនៅរោងចក្រកាត់ដេរម្ដងទៀត
In the evening I go to house for a while and then return to work until 11 p.m.
ពេលចូលធ្វើការដំបូងខ្ញុំមិនចេះដេរទេខ្ញុំគេឲ្យខ្ញុំកាត់ព្រួយដោយខ្ញុំមិនចេះដេរ
My parents collect me and bring me to home.
សួរនេះខ្ញុំឈ្មោះនឿនបុប្ផាមកពីកម្ពុជា
Good afternoon. My name is Bopha Nguyen from Cambodia.
ទីកន្លែងកំណើតនៅភូមិត្របែកពកឃុំកំពង់កុងស្រុកកោះធំខេត្តកណ្ដាល
My homeland is Trobai Pok village, Kampong Ko commune, Koh Thom district in Kandal province.
នាងខ្ញុំមានបងប្អូន7នាក់ស្រីទាំងអស់
There are 7 daughters in my family.
ខ្ញុំជាកូនទី6
I am the 6th child.
ដោយជីវភាពខ្វះខាតខ្ញុំរៀនបានត្រឹមថ្នាក់ទី9ក៏បានឈប់រៀនទៅធ្វើការដើម្បីជួយសម្រួលបន្ទុកក្នុងគ្រួសារ
Because of my family's difficult economic status, I stopped studying in grade 9 at the age of 15 and I entered in employment to try to help supplement our family income.
តាំងពីនាងខ្ញុំអាយុ15ឆ្នាំនៅរោងចក្រកាត់ដេរសម្លៀកបំពាក់នៅសង្កាត់ចំចៅខណ្ឌពោធិ៍សែនជ័យរាជធានីភ្នំពេញ
I went to work in a garment factory in Chom Chau district in Phnom Penh.
បានរយៈពេល3ឆ្នាំនេះខ្ញុំក៏ជាអ្នកកត់ត្រាការងារ
For 3 years, my role was to keep note of the workflow.
រយៈពេល3ខែគឺជាកុងត្រាកម្មករដាក់ពាក្យមកធ្វើការដំបូងដែលមិនទាន់ពេញសិទ្ធិ
In the factory, they didn't really respect the workers' rights. They forced employees to work too hard.
គឺស្ថិតក្នុងការសាកល្បងការងារជាកុងត្រាសាកល្បងដំបូង
They set targets that were too high.
មិនសូវគោរពសិទ្ធិដូចជាប្រើការងារហួសពីកម្លាំងកំណត់ចំនួនច្រើនពេលដែលលើសពីកម្លាំងធ្វើឲ្យគ្រប់ចំនួនមិនឲ្យលើសទូរស័ព្ទពេលគ្រួសារតែមកឬមានការប្រញាប់មិនសូវបានទៅបន្ទប់ទឹក
They forced workers to work overtime until they had achieved the high targets.
ពេលដាក់ច្បាប់មិនចុះហត្ថលេខាឲ្យពិបាកដាក់ច្បាប់សម្រាប់ឈឺឬរវល់អ្វីមួយជាបន្ទាន់ទេ
Workers were not allowed to answer their phones if their family members called them.
បងទូចបាននិយាយប្រាប់ពីការចូលរួមខ្លះៗតាក់ទងនឹងសោក
It was difficult to get permission to use the restroom.
187ខ្ញុំកាន់សាសនាព្រះពុទ្ធជឿលើព្រះពុទ្ធ
I want to study, but I don't have the financial ability to do so.
ក្នុងបុព្វបុរសដូនតាជួយឲ្យខ្ញុំរស់នៅសុខសប្បាយនិងប្រពៃណីកម្មតាមចាស់ទុំ
I don't want to give my parents any further worries or hardships.
ជឿជឿនៅពេលដែលខ្ញុំបានជន់លេខគោលនៅពេលទៅលេងស្រុកកំណើតហើយមិនត្រូវចេញលុយខ្លួនឯង
This is why I am working in Phnom Penh. I feel a level of regret about my studies.
ព្រោះគ្រោះថ្នាក់មិននៅក្នុងពេលធ្វើការទេ
But I'm glad to know to not
ត្រូវផ្លាត់
be a burden upon my family.